Let me tell you a story, one that might just change the way you think about making money online. Imagine waking up every morning, checking your phone, and seeing notifications of payments rolling in while you were asleep. No stressful commute, no demanding boss breathing down your neck, no fixed hours chaining you to a desk. Instead, you're in control. You set your schedule, you decide how much you want to earn, and best of all, you started with absolutely nothing. No upfront investment, no costly subscriptions, no complicated skills to learn. Just one powerful tool, the right strategy, and a willingness to take action. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Another Make Money Online story? What's the catch? I get it. The internet is flooded with false promises, overhyped scams, and people claiming they made millions overnight with some secret loophole. I used to think the same way. But what if I told you that this isn't some gimmick? And that I've personally tested and proven a method that allows you to make real money, as much as $240 per hour without spending a dime. What if you could use cutting-edge AI technology to do most of the hard work for you, even if you have zero experience? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what I did, and today I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. This is the story of how I discovered DeepSeek, an AI-powered tool that completely transformed the way I make money online. In 2025, AI is no longer just a futuristic concept, it's a real, powerful force that's creating brand new opportunities for people like you and me to generate income in ways that were never possible before. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert, a professional coder, or some marketing genius to make this work. All you need is access to the internet, a little creativity, and the willingness to follow a simple blueprint. So, if you're tired of watching others succeed while you struggle to find a reliable way to make money online, if you're ready to tap into an opportunity that's completely free to start, and if you want to learn how I turned an AI tool into a money-making machine that pays me $240 per hour, then stick with me. Because by the end of this, you won't just understand how it works, you'll have everything you need to start making money yourself, starting today. Let's dive in. Understanding DeepSeek, a brief overview. DeepSeek is an advanced AI platform renowned for its powerful models like V3 and R1, which have demonstrated impressive cost-profit ratios. The platform's ability to perform complex tasks with minimal computational resources has made it accessible to a wide range of users, from large corporations to individual entrepreneurs. The journey begins identifying opportunities with DeepSeek. My journey with DeepSeek began by exploring various avenues where AI could be utilized to generate income. The versatility of DeepSeek allowed me to venture into multiple domains, each offering unique opportunities. 1. Content creation and optimization. Content is the lifeblood of the internet, and businesses are continually seeking high-quality content to engage their audiences. DeepSeek's AI capabilities enabled me to create well-researched, SEO-optimized articles rapidly. By offering these services on freelance platforms, I could command rates of up to $240 per hour, depending on the project's complexity and urgency. 2. Affiliate marketing with AI-generated content. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales made through your referral. By utilizing DeepSeek to generate engaging product reviews and promotional content, I was able to drive significant traffic to affiliate links, resulting in substantial earnings. The AI's ability to tailor content to specific audiences enhanced conversion rates dramatically. 3. Developing AI-powered tools. With a basic understanding of coding, I used DeepSeek to assist in developing simple AI-powered tools and applications. These tools addressed common problems faced by online users, and monetizing them through ads and premium features proved to be a lucrative venture. 4. Creating and selling online courses. The demand for online education has surged, and DeepSeek facilitated the creation of comprehensive course materials. By developing courses on topics like digital marketing and AI applications, and hosting them on platforms like Udemy, I tapped into a global market of learners. 5. Social media management and growth. Managing social media accounts for businesses is a time-consuming task. DeepSeek's ability to generate engaging posts and analyze audience engagement allowed me to offer social media management services. This not only saved clients time but also boosted their online presence, justifying premium rates for my services. 6. AI consulting services. As businesses strive to integrate AI into their operations, there is a growing need for consultants who can guide this transition. Leveraging my experience with DeepSeek, I offered consulting services to help businesses understand and implement AI solutions, further enhancing my income streams, maximizing earnings, strategies, and tips. To ensure consistent earnings and growth, I adopted several strategies. Continuous learning, staying updated with the latest features and capabilities of DeepSeek allowed me to offer cutting-edge solutions to clients. Networking, building a network of professionals opened doors to collaborative projects and referrals. Diversification, engaging in multiple income streams mitigated risks and ensured a steady flow of projects. Challenges and how to overcome them. While the potential of DeepSeek is immense, challenges such as staying ahead of competition and managing workload can arise. Prioritizing tasks, setting clear goals, and maintaining a high standard of quality are crucial to overcoming these hurdles. The road ahead, future prospects with DeepSeek. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities with DeepSeek are boundless. Embracing this technology not only offers immediate financial rewards but also positions you at the forefront of the digital revolution. In conclusion, leveraging DeepSeek has transformed my approach to online income generation. By harnessing its capabilities, I achieved earnings of $240 per hour without any initial investment. With dedication, continuous learning, and strategic planning, you too can unlock the immense potential of DeepSeek and thrive in the digital economy of 2025. The world of online income is changing rapidly, and those who adapt to emerging technologies like DeepSeek are positioning themselves ahead of the curve. What once seemed impossible, earning hundreds of dollars per hour without any upfront investment, is now a reality for those willing to embrace the power of AI. Looking back on this journey, I can confidently say that DeepSeek is not just another AI tool, it's a gateway to financial freedom. From content creation and affiliate marketing to AI consulting and automation, the opportunities are endless, and the best part, this isn't just for tech-savvy professionals or seasoned entrepreneurs. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, this is an opportunity that anyone can leverage. But success doesn't come from just knowing about these opportunities, it comes from action. Right now, AI is still in its early stages of mass adoption. That means the playing field is wide open for those who take the initiative. The people who start today will be the ones dominating this space in the next few years. Imagine looking back a year from now and realizing you had the chance to build a profitable online business with AI but didn't take it. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that waiting for the perfect moment never works. There is no perfect moment, there is only action. DeepSeek has given me the tools to break into the digital economy without spending a dime upfront. And I truly believe it can do the same for you. So what's next for you? Are you going to sit back and watch others take advantage of this AI revolution, or are you going to dive in and claim your share of the future? The choice is yours. AI isn't going anywhere. It's only going to get better, more powerful, and more profitable. Those who start today will have an undeniable advantage over those who wait. If you're serious about making money online in 2025, there has never been a better time to start.